New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up mostly cloudy this morning and a bit cold with temperatures ranging in the teens to the 20s. We are also seeing a few snow flurries out there as well. So let's take a look at our Cavvy Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies over the city of Utica, as well as a few snow flurries here and there. So if you are getting ready to head out the door this morning, I would definitely just be giving yourself a little extra time to maybe defrost your car or warm up your car, as well as your jacket, because it is going to be quite cold today. You definitely don't need your snow boots. We are not looking at an accumulation for the day today, or even your sunglasses. It will be mostly cloudy. For the radar and satellite here this morning, we are seeing just a few light snow showers and snow flurries due to a lake effect snow. But again, this is not really going to cause an accumulation today. It will just be mostly cloudy today with these few snow flurries in place. Now, our temperatures this morning are fairly cold. We are ranging in the teens to the 20s. We are in the teens to the lower 20s up in the North Country. Same thing for the Mohawk Valley and down in the southern valleys. We are ranging in the 20s here this morning. So make sure you do bundle up if you are going outside at all within the next couple of hours. It will be quite cold. Now, we are expecting some lake effect snow to move in the overnight hours tonight and kind of last until Wednesday morning. We will begin to dry out and see sunshine for the afternoon hours on Wednesday. So I am expecting about 1 to 3 inches for the North Country and a trace to an inch for the Mohawk Valley and the southern valleys. Now, we are seeing some lake effect snow flurries for the day today, otherwise mostly cloudy conditions. Now, here's that lake effect snow moving in the overnight hours, mainly affecting the North Country with accumulation. And for the day on Wednesday, this will shift north throughout the day, and we'll be seeing sunshine later on for the day. Now, for today, we have a high in the low 30s, a few snow flurries, and mostly cloudy conditions throughout the day. And overnight tonight, we have a low in the upper 20s, and lake effect snow does come in to the region. Now, the lake effect snow, it does look to clear out Wednesday morning. We'll be seeing sunshine Wednesday afternoon and evening before another system comes in on Thursday, bringing some mixed precipitation as well as breezy conditions for Friday. But we are drying out on Friday. And the snow returns on Saturday, but we are drying out once again for Sunday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The Arthritis Foundation's original Jingle Bell.
Good morning to Deerfield and all of the greater Utica region. We will be seeing snow flurries all throughout the day today due to lake effect, but this is not going to cause that much of an accumulation. Now, overnight tonight, we will be seeing lake effect snow, about 1 to 3 inches expected for the North Country and a trace to 1 inches expected for the Mohawk Valley and the southern valleys. This is looking to end tomorrow morning. We'll be seeing sunshine for the afternoon and evening hours tomorrow. Now here, let's look at that on the chance of snow graphic. We are very low today, just seeing a few flurries here and there. But as we get into the evening and overnight hours tonight, we will probably be seeing lake effect snow. Going into tomorrow morning, that chance does drop down to low, and we will be drying out and seeing sunshine tomorrow. It rises right back up into Thursday as another system is coming in. So if you are grabbing your coffee this morning, I would definitely be opting for the extra large. It is kind of cold out there. Temperatures ranging in the teens to the 20s. A few snow flurries are visible as well, so definitely be grabbing the extra large this morning. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Continuing coverage of a Thanksgiving Day.
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up this morning with mostly cloudy skies and a few light snow showers or maybe even some flurries in the area with temperatures in the 20s. So let's take a live look at our Cavvy Tower camera. We are looking at mostly cloudy skies over the city of Utica this morning, as well as a few snow flurries here and there. So if you are getting ready to head out the door anytime soon, I would definitely just bundle up. It is quite chilly out there with temperatures ranging in the teens to the 20s, as well as maybe giving yourself a little extra time to kind of get your car started, get it warmed up. But you will not be needing those snow boots today. It's not looking like we will get any accumulation, as well as those sunglasses, because it will be mostly cloudy today. Now, on our radar and satellite, we do see these light snow showers are due to lake effect snow forming over Lake Ontario. But again, they are very light in nature. even looking like a few flurries here and there. But tonight we will be receiving a heavier band of lake effect snow moving in. Now temperatures this morning are ranging in the teens to the 20s, so I would definitely make sure you bundle up if you are heading outside. We are in the teens to lower 20s in the North Country. We are in the 20s here in the Mohawk Valley and in the teens to the 20s down in the southern valleys as well. So just bundle up before heading outside. It is pretty chilly out there. Now here's the forecast of snowfall. We are expecting about 1 to 3 inches for the North Country overnight tonight, as well as a trace to 1 inch in the Mohawk Valley and the southern valleys. This snow comes in tonight and it does clear out by late tomorrow morning. Now let's look at all of that on our Skycast. We are going to be seeing a few snow flurries or light snow showers here and there today. The heavier band of lake effect snow moves in overnight tonight, mainly causing an accumulation for the North Country. It does look to clear out at around 9 or 10 a.m. tomorrow, and we will be seeing sunshine later on with a high in the upper 30s. Now for today, we have high just in the lower 30s, so it is going to feel quite cold out there today with mostly cloudy conditions, so no sunshine to kind of keep you warm. And overnight tonight, that is when we will see our lake effect snow come into the area with a low in the upper 20s. The lake effect snow does look to clear out tomorrow morning for sunshine later on in the afternoon and evening. But we will be seeing another band of precipitation, some mixed precipitation moving in due to a low pressure system on Thursday, and we will kind of dry out on Friday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A special delivery.
Welcome back. With some light snow flurries today and some lake effect snow moving in overnight, I did want to look at the travel impact. Not really impacting anything today. We are just going to be seeing either a few light snow showers or a few snow flurries, not really causing an accumulation. Overnight tonight is when we will start seeing some lake effect snow, so roadways may become slippery overnight tonight and definitely for tomorrow morning. Now here's another look at the snowfall forecast. I thought this graphic was good at showing it. About 1.3 inches it's estimating for the North Country, about 0.2 for Mohawk Valley and 0.3 for the southern valley. So this lake effect snow is mainly going to be concentrated in the North Country for the overnight hours tonight, and of course seeing a trace in other areas. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Opening arguments in the
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up this morning with mostly cloudy skies and a few snow flurries in the area and temperatures in the 20s. Let's take a look at our CAVI tower camera overlooking the city of Utica this morning. Again, we are seeing mostly cloudy skies and a few flurries here in Utica. It is very cold out this morning, temperatures ranging in the teens to the 20s. So if you are getting ready to head out the door, I would definitely be grabbing a jacket and bundling up. It is quite chilly out there, as well as maybe giving yourself a little extra time to kind of warm up the car or defrost the windshield. You definitely do not need the snow boots for today. We will not really see any snow accumulation with these light snow showers, and you will definitely not really need those sunglasses because it will be mostly cloudy. Now for the radar and satellite this morning, we are seeing some light lake effect snow showers, maybe even just some snow flurries in the Mohawk Valley and the southern valleys, light snow showers in the North Country. This is not really going to cause any accumulation today. We are expecting a stronger, heavier band of lake effect snow showers to kind of move in the overnight hours, and that will cause some accumulation. Now our temperatures this morning are ranging in the teens to the 20s. We are in the teens to lower 20s in the North Country. Same thing for the Mohawk Valley and same thing for the southern valleys this morning. So again, please bundle up before you go outside. It is very cold out there. I was freezing this morning myself. Now looking at the snowfall forecast, we're expecting about 1 to 3 inches overnight into tomorrow morning for the North Country, and just about a trace to an inch for the Mohawk Valley and the southern valleys with this incoming lake effect snow tonight. Now let's look at all of that on our Skycast. We are going to be seeing a few snow flurries, light snow showers throughout the day today, and we will see that heavier band of lake effect snow kind of moving in after sunset into the overnight hours. Now this is really going to cause an accumulation for the North Country, not really any for the Mohawk Valley and southern valleys. North Country is going to be getting about 1 to 3 inches. Now we will be drying out on Wednesday as this band lifts north, and we'll be seeing some sunshine with a high in the upper 30s. Now for today, we have a high just in the lower 30s, a few snow showers here and there today, and overnight tonight is when we see our lake effect snow come in with lows in the upper 20s. That lake effect snow does come to an end tomorrow morning for sunshine throughout the day, And on Thursday, we'll be seeing a next band of precipitation due to a low pressure system coming in, causing a breeze as well. We'll be drying out from that on Friday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The Arthritis Foundation.
We're saying good morning to Deerfield and all of the greater Utica region. We are going to be seeing a few snow flurries out there today, not really causing that much of an accumulation, but we will see some lake effect snow overnight tonight into tomorrow morning that will cause a little bit of accumulation. That will end tomorrow morning, and we will dry out to be seeing some sunshine in the afternoon to evening hours tomorrow. Now here's a look at the chance of snow. We will see a very low chance today, just a few snow flurries here and there. As we get into the hours after sunset, into the overnight hours, into Wednesday, that is when we are going to be seeing some lake effect snow showers move into the area. Now Wednesday morning, this chance does drop down to low, but Wednesday evening and into overnight into Thursday, we will be seeing another chance of snow coming in for that day. Now, it is very cold out this morning. Temperatures ranging in the teens to the 20s. A few snow flurries out there as well. I would be grabbing the extra large coffee this morning. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Continuing coverage now of a Thanksgiving Day
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up this morning with mostly cloudy skies, a few snow flurries out there, and temperatures in the 20s. Let's take a look at our Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. You can see a mostly cloudy sky as well as a little snow accumulation on the ground from the past couple of days. We're not really going to see an accumulation today, but maybe in the overnight hours tonight. So if you are heading out the door this morning, I would definitely be bundling up. It is quite chilly out there with the temperatures ranging in the teens to the 20s, as well as maybe giving yourself a little extra time to start your car. But you are not going to need those snow boots. We are not really going to see any snow accumulation today, and you will not really need your sunglasses because it will be mostly cloudy. Now on our radar and satellite this morning, we are seeing a few light snow showers, even some snow flurries formed over Lake Ontario this morning. It will kind of be this way throughout the day, but looking not really to cause any accumulation. Now some Skywatch reports coming in this morning. We are ranging in the teens to the 20s. We're up in the teens to the lower 20s in the North Country. Kind of the same thing for the Mohawk Valley here this morning and down in the southern valleys, ranging all throughout the 20s. So it is pretty chilly out there, so make sure you do bundle up before heading outside. Now here is my snowfall forecast. This is for the overnight hours. Tonight is when it is going to start, and it will kind of last until tomorrow morning. We're looking at 1 to 3 inches for the North Country and a trace to an inch for the Mohawk Valley and the southern valleys from this lake effect snow moving in. Now let's look at all of that on our Skycast. We will be seeing light snow showers and snow flurries all throughout the day today. The heavier bands of lake effect snow does look to come in after sunset into the overnight hours, mainly affecting the North Country with accumulation. We'll be drying out at around 9 or 10 a.m. tomorrow. We'll be seeing sunshine throughout the day with a high in the upper 30s. Now for today, we are just going to be seeing a few light snow flurries, mostly cloudy conditions with a high in the lower 30s. And overnight tonight, we will be seeing some lake effect snow bands coming in with lows in the upper 20s. Now that snow is expected to clear out in the morning hours tomorrow for some sunshine later on. And our next chance of some precipitation does come in on Thursday due to a low pressure system, and we will be drying out on Friday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The Johnson Park Center in.
Welcome back. With some snow flurries throughout the day today, I did want to run through the travel impact for today and tonight. So for the morning and afternoon and evening, we will just be seeing some scattered snow flurries, mostly cloudy conditions, so there shouldn't really be a problem with traveling for today. Overnight tonight, some lake effect snow will come into the area, so just roads may be slipping overnight tonight and even tomorrow morning as that snow does start to clear out. Now here's the snowfall forecast for tonight and tomorrow. We are expecting about a little over 1 inch in the North Country, ranging about 1 to 3 inches, and in the Mohawk Valley and southern valleys, a trace to an inch of snow. So on this graphic, it says 1.1 in the North Country, 0.2 in the Mohawk Valley, and 0.3 in the southern valleys. It's not really that much of an accumulation, but we will be seeing some snow tonight and tomorrow morning. I'll have a look at your day planner coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Thanks. A selfless and
Welcome back. We will be seeing light snow showers and snow flurries all throughout the day today before we see some heavier lake effect snow bands moving in overnight. Now this will be moving in overnight and it will kind of be lingering tomorrow morning, but we will be drying out tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening for some sunshine to return into the forecast. Now, if you are grabbing your coffee this morning, I would be opting for the extra large. It is pretty cold out there. Temperatures are ranging in the teens to the 20s here this morning with some scattered snow flurries around. But for the rest of the day, we'll be seeing snow flurries with a high in the lower 30s. Now, overnight tonight, we will be seeing that lake effect snow move in with a low in the upper 20s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Continuing coverage now of Thanksgiving Day.
Back, we are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies today with a few scattered snow flurries here and there. Let's take a look at our temperatures right now. It is very cold out this morning. Temperatures earlier were in the teens. Now we're looking more at temperatures ranging in the 20s. So make sure you do bundle up before heading outside. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are seeing a few very light snow showers, maybe even you can call them snow flurries, in most of our area this morning, and it will kind of remain this way throughout the day before heavier lake effect snow moves in overnight. So here's the snowfall forecast for the overnight hours tonight and into tomorrow morning. We're looking at about 1 to 3 inches for the North Country specifically, and a trace to an inch for the Mohawk Valley and the southern valleys. Now, if you are getting ready to head out the door, I would definitely just have that defroster ready. It's a bit cold out, patchy frost out there as well. By the afternoon, we will be seeing some light snow showers, so roads may be a little slippery. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Today in Albany,
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up this morning with mostly cloudy skies, temperatures in the 20s, and a few snow flurries lingering around. Let's take a look at our CATV tower camera. Overlooking the city of Utica, we do see a mostly cloudy and overcast sky, as well as a little snow accumulation from the past couple of days. Now, on our radar and satellite this morning, we are seeing a few light lake effect snow showers, maybe even snow flurries for most of our area this morning, and it will kind of remain this way throughout the day before some heavier bands do come in the overnight hours tonight. Now, our Skywatcher reports this morning are ranging in the 20s, even some areas in the teens from earlier this morning. We are ranging in the teens to lower 20s in the North Country. We are in the mid-20s here in the Mohawk Valley, and the same thing goes for the Southern Valley. So it is very cold this morning. I would make sure to bundle up before heading outside. Now, here's the estimated amount of snowfall. We're looking at about 1 to 3 inches tonight into tomorrow morning for the North Country, and a trace to 1 for the Mohawk Valley and the Southern Valleys. So let's look at all of this on our Skycast. We'll be seeing light lake effect snow showers today, as well as a few snow flurries here and there. After sunset is when we see our heavier bands do come in for the overnight hours tonight, and this will last only until tomorrow morning. Looks to come to an end around 9 or 10 a.m. with a high tomorrow in the upper 30s and some sunshine returning. Before today, we have a high in the lower 30s, a mostly cloudy day with a few scattered flurries, and tonight we will see the heavier bands of lake effect snow coming in. This lake effect snow will kind of last until the morning hours tomorrow, and we will be drying out for sunshine for the afternoon and evening hours tomorrow. Our next chance of some precipitation comes in on Thursday due to a low pressure system. We are drying out once again on Friday.
look at our forecast on this Tuesday. Meteorologist Hannah Evans is in, and Hannah, some snowflakes continue to fly around parts of the area.
Yes, we are seeing some very light snow showers, especially for the North Country this afternoon, as well as a few flurries here in the Mohawk Valley and in the Southern Valleys. Let's take a look at our Mesonet cameras across New York State. You can kind of see up in Old Forge, Coldbrook, Woodgate, they do have some new accumulation of some snow powder on the ground, where other areas are just seeing a trace of snow. Now, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we do see that most of the heavier bands are up in the Old Forge area and some in Otsego County, but here in the Mohawk Valley, we are just seeing a few flurries. Now, the next chance for sunshine would be tomorrow after this lake effect snow band does clear out for the afternoon and evening. And on Friday, we will be getting snow overnight tonight and some snow and rain on Thursday. But for today, we are seeing a few flurries, lake effect snow showers that are heavier form overnight tonight, and I will be tracking that out coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks with the Omicron.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing some light snow showers in the North Country this afternoon, as well as a few snow flurries here in the Mohawk Valley. So let's take a look at our Cavity Tower camera. We can see mostly cloudy and overcast skies. A little snow accumulation up here on the hill from the past couple of days, and we are seeing a few snow flurries here this afternoon. So we will be seeing snow flurries today. The North Country is seeing some light snow powder here this afternoon. We will be seeing a heavier bands moving in tonight due to lake effect snow, and this will all come to an end tomorrow morning, and we will be seeing some sunshine tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Now on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are seeing a few light lake effect snow showers up in the North Country, specifically like in the Old Forge area and in the northern part of Herkimer County, as well as a few light snow showers down in Otsego County. Here in the Mohawk Valley, we are still just seeing a few snow flurries here and there throughout the afternoon. Now on our radar and satellite, we do see this is due to lake effect. That wind is blowing over Lake Ontario, creating this snowfall. And here is the snowfall forecast. It does look like the North Country will receive about 1 to 3 inches from today and overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, but this all comes to an end tomorrow morning. And a trace to 1 inch is expected for the Mohawk Valley and the Southern Valleys tonight and tomorrow morning. Now our temperature right now is in the lower 30s, and it is mostly cloudy and overcast for all of our areas. We will continue to see some sunshine tomorrow after that snowfall wraps up in the morning. So let's look at all of this on our SkyCast. Mostly overcast right now with temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s. We will be seeing some heavier bands of snow move in just a bit after sunset and in the overnight hours tonight. Again, it is looking like 1 to 3 inches for the North Country and a trace to an inch for the Mohawk Valley and the Southern Valleys for this lake effect snow event. This all looks to wrap up at around 9 or 10 a.m. tomorrow, and that band continues to lift north and then clear out for the day. We will be seeing some sunshine tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening before some rain and snow mix moves in overnight Wednesday into Thursday, kind of lingers into scattered showers throughout the day on Thursday. But for today, we have a high in the lower 40s. We are seeing some snow flurries in the Mohawk Valley. The North Country is seeing some light snow showers. And tonight, we will see a low in the upper 20s with that lake effect snow band moving in. Now for the 7-day forecast, we can see this lake effect snow will end tomorrow morning, late in the morning. And we will be seeing some sunshine for the afternoon and evening hours. Now we will be seeing some rain and snow mix throughout the day on Thursday. We'll be drying out once again on Friday, but it will be kind of windy for Thursday and for Friday. Back to you, Gary.
Oh, some chilly temperatures overnight.
I know, yes. It's not going to be good waking up early in the morning like we do.
Hannah, thanks. Well, you've probably heard the weather in this half hour. Once again, here is meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are seeing a few light snow showers this afternoon, especially in the North Country and the Southern Valleys, while here in the Mohawk Valley, we are just seeing a few flurries on and off. So let's take a look at our Mesonet cameras across New York State. We do see areas like Old Forge, Cold Brook, Redfield, Whiteface. They are seeing a new accumulation of snow this afternoon, snow powder in specifically. But if we look anywhere else like Westmoreland, Morrisville, they are just seeing a trace of snow here this afternoon. Now on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, again, light snow showers in the northern part of Herkimer County as well as in Otsego County with a few flurries here and there in the Mohawk Valley. Now the next chance for sunshine would be tomorrow after the snow clears out in the morning hours. We'll be seeing some sunshine. We are going to be seeing some rain on Thursday, but on Friday we will be clearing out once again. Before the rest of the day, we'll be seeing a few on and off flurries. We do have lake effect snow showers coming in the overnight hours tonight. That will end tomorrow morning, and a high today in the 30s, and I will be tracking out that overnight snow showers coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. He was a
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing a few light snow showers up in the North Country and the Southern Valleys here this afternoon, as well as a few snow flurries here in the Mohawk Valley. Now let's take a look at our Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing widespread overcast skies here this afternoon, as well as a few snow flurries here on the Cavalry Tower Cam overlooking the Mohawk Valley. Now, we are going to be seeing snow flurries throughout the day today, as well as light snow showers. We will be seeing heavier lake effect snow move in just after sunset this evening into the overnight hours. This will come to an end late tomorrow morning. We'll be seeing some sunshine for the afternoon and evening hours tomorrow. Now, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, again, we are just seeing scattered light snow showers as well as snow flurries here this afternoon. But again, those heavier bands of lake effect snow do come in the evening hours tonight. Now, on our radar and satellite, we do see this is due to lake effect. That wind is blowing over Lake Ontario, blowing in those light scattered snow showers into our area. Now, here's the Skycast forecast for snowfall. We're looking at about 1 to 3 inches for the North Country for the snowfall event today and tonight, and about a trace to an inch of snow is expected for the Mohawk Valley and the Southern Valleys. Once again, this will be in the evening hours tonight and in the overnight hours and end tomorrow morning. Now, our temperature right now in the Griffith Park Airport at Rome is at 34 degrees, and it is overcast in most of our areas here this afternoon. We will be seeing a little bit warmer of a temperature tomorrow once that snow clears out. So let's look at all of that on our Skycast. We are seeing overcast skies right now with temperatures ranging in the upper 20s to lower 30s. Now, we do see some heavier bands of lake effect snow, specifically moving into the North Country this evening and into the overnight hours. Now, this does look to end in the late morning hours tomorrow. I'm guessing about 9 or 10 a.m. And we will be seeing those breaks in the clouds for some sunshine and a high in the upper 30s for the day tomorrow. Now, going into Thursday, we are going to be seeing some scattered mixed precipitation in the overnight hours into Thursday. Now, for the day on Thursday, we'll be mostly overcast, and we will be seeing some rain moving in the afternoon to evening hours on Thursday. But for today, we have a high in the lower 30s. A few light snow showers as well as snow flurries are prominent today. But overnight tonight, we will be seeing heavier lake effect snow bands with a low in the upper 20s. Now, that snow is expected to clear out tomorrow late morning, and we will be seeing sunshine throughout the day with a high in the upper 30s. Moving into Thursday, a high in the 40s, which is bringing in that mixed precipitation and some rain into the forecast. We will dry out once again on Friday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A spacewalk.
Good with Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Tracking a little snow?
Yeah, a little light activity here, but this is really light, just flurries, not really enough to cause any concern across the area. We are tracking some very light snow showers. This will turn into some lake effect tonight, which brings an inch or two of accumulation to the North Country. And because of that, Lewis County is under a winter weather advisory. That's when a relatively small amount of snow is expected. But it could be just enough to impact travel. And again, for standards in Lewis County, this would be just another day, at least in the winter. Current temperature is 34 degrees. We have calm winds and again, some flurries in the air. We'll continue to see some flurries and some light snow. Most consolidated north tonight, where an inch or two of accumulation is expected. The snow comes to an end tomorrow morning. We'll get a chance to dry out and warm up. And in fact, temperatures are going to soar as we head into Thursday. We'll be well above freezing, and any snow on the ground is likely going to melt. This evening, cloudy, a couple of snow showers around, temperatures in the 30s. Again, tracking some warmer weather ahead. Look at that forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Around America, 3.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Tracking some light snow across parts of our area, especially as we head into tonight north of the Mohawk Valley. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Cavalry Tower Cam. We are looking over the city of Utica. The lights slightly dimmer than usual because we have a few flurries in the air. The snow is very light this evening. I'm not expecting any travel issues with this. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, most of this activity will stay in and just north of the Mohawk Valley, with not much accumulation for most areas. Could see a quick burst of an inch or two of snow north of the Mohawk Valley. If you're missing the sunshine, it looks like we'll have a few breaks as we head into tomorrow afternoon. Back to overcast skies Thursday, and then some opportunities for breaks Friday before clouds become more widespread heading into Saturday. Just a reminder, we are getting into the cloudiest time of the year. And so we're going to really try to focus in on the days where we could see a couple of breaks of sunshine if you're looking for it. Dowdesville 31 degrees, Little Falls 32, Whitesboro 33, Big Moose 26, Skanevis 30, Sherburne 32, and Hamilton with 34 degrees. If you're taking the dog out for a walk this evening, looking at some light snow showers, temperatures will be in the low 30s. Tonight's featured dog is Harley, and if you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. This is brought to you by Staffworks. And again, if you are walking tonight, I think the sidewalks will be mainly dry again with a couple of flurries. Some very, very light snow will stick, but I don't think it's going to be too difficult to get around heading out this evening. Radar and satellite image shows a weak area of low pressure moving through the area. This will bring in some slightly colder weather, and it does create some lake effect snow showers overnight. Again, mainly north of the Mohawk Valley. We're expecting 1 to 3 inches of accumulation for northern Herkimer, Lewis, northern Oneida County, and Hamilton County. Widespread light snow a trace to an inch elsewhere, including the Mohawk and southern valleys. Again, that band of snow remains to the north tonight, at least the heavier snow. Temperatures will be in the low to mid 30s overnight. Some scattered snow showers early Wednesday, but this lifts to the north as winds turn into the south. We're looking at generally overcast skies, again, some breaks in the afternoon. The weather remains cloudy Wednesday night with some rain and snow showers overnight. Thursday, much warmer weather arrives. Temperatures climb above freezing into the 40s with widespread rain in the forecast. Lake effect snow showers to the north tonight, low of 31. Tomorrow, some flurries in the morning, a few breaks of sunshine in the afternoon, a high of 37. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. It turns breezy here Thursday and Friday. Thursday, we're up to 45, Friday 34, so it does cool down again. Some light snow showers here Saturday, dry Sunday, and then rain and snow in the forecast heading into Monday. A little strange to be getting into December and talking about rain.
Yes,
Yeah.
definitely.
Yeah.
Bill, thank you. Many Americans.
Lake effect snow develops tonight. We're going to get you back to Chief Meteorologist and Professor Bill Cardis for a science lesson. Hey, Bill.
Yeah, we are putting on our professor hats today. Today's term, fetch. Fetch is how much time air spends over water. We always talk about how it's the air temperature versus the lake temperature that generates lake effect snowfall, but a key ingredient is how much time that air spends over the water. Lake Ontario is 3 times wider, that's from east to west, versus taller from north to south. And it's not surprising that you'll get a lot more lake effect snow on the eastern end of Lake Ontario compared to the southern end. And again, this has everything to do with how much time air spends over water. And when the wind direction changes, when we see bands of lake effect snow to the north, and it's producing heavy snow across the North Country, when those bands drop south, they will almost always weaken because they're spending less time over water. So again, a little bit of science behind that this evening. And just a reminder, we are also talking about a winter weather advisory for Lewis County tonight due to that lake effect snow. We're tracking snowfall overnight. We're also taking a look at the month of December and how the weather and daylight changes over the next 31 days. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. 3 candles.
Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis taking a look at our changing forecast, our changing weather.
Yeah, we're kind of
Winter's
just taking
here.
an overview of the month of December and showing folks at home how things change. First of all, we're going to start with the records. Highest temperature in the month of December ever, 70 degrees back in 1966. The lowest reading ever, 24 below zero. I should say lowest recorded reading, 1942 is the year that happened. Snowfall, 1890, we had 59 inches of snow. That's the record for this area. By the way, our records go back to the early, or I should say the late 1800s. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're continuing to see some light snow showers develop, especially in and north of the Mohawk Valley. And that's going to continue as we head into this evening. And as well as tonight, overnight lows will drop down into the low 30s. We're tracking warmer weather on Thursday with a return to some rain. Look at that forecast is coming up. Kristen, back to you.
Sources say Dr.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. Tracking some light snow moving into the region. This will be around tonight, especially north of the Mohawk Valley. Some lake effect snow accumulation is expected overnight. This is a live look at the CATV tower cam, and we can see some very light snow falling. We can tell because the city lights are not quite as bright as they usually are. And that is going to continue as we head into tonight. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. You can see the darker blues indicating some steadier snow that at the moment is falling across western Oneida County. And that is where we're going to find some lake effect snow develop overnight. That's where we will see most of the accumulation. And at that point, we're only talking about an inch or two of accumulation. Looking ahead, the snowfall outlook for most of us is just brushworthy snow. And a lot of it's going to melt. Temperatures are going to warm up over the next couple of days, and then maybe some light snow here as we head into Saturday. We also have some light snow chances Thursday night into early Friday as well. Skywatchers, Curtis Corners 27, Middleville, Kathy with 33, Alder Creek 30, Bob and Clinton 33, Cross Southern Valleys, Richfield, Jim with 32, Carroll and Worcester 29, and Harry in Otsego with 32 degrees. We've got some warmer weather on the horizon. Actually, tomorrow we're above freezing, and then Thursday we could see a spike into the 40s temperature-wise, so it does look pretty mild. Some cooler weather will return with highs in the 30s Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. As we look at the radar and satellite image, we've got a weak area of low pressure moving through tonight, and again, this is going to instigate the lakes, producing some lake effect snow showers. Steady as snow is north, 1 to 3 inches of accumulation overnight, a trace to an inch elsewhere, including the Mohawk and Southern Valleys. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, again, that lake effect band develops and impacts the North Country overnight. Some lingering snow showers into Wednesday morning. This is the scene at 8 a.m. Cloudy skies, and again, a couple of flurries in the air, not impacting too much in the way of traveling. Wednesday afternoon, winds turn into the south. We should get some breaks in the overcast, and that's going to help temperatures climb above freezing. Wednesday night, cloudy skies with a round of some rain and snow. The next weather system approaches and moves well to the north. This is called the Western Runner. It's going to bring a strong southwesterly wind to the region, allowing temperatures to climb into the mid to upper 40s. And the next round of precipitation Thursday afternoon, producing widespread rainfall. Lake effect snow tonight, again, an inch or two of accumulation north, a low of 31. Some flurries around tomorrow morning, followed by sunshine. Tomorrow's high 37. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast, breezy with the next weather maker on Thursday. Again, this is going to be a rainmaker for the most part. It does end as some snow Thursday night, little accumulation. Friday's high 34, mostly cloudy. Some light snow showers on Saturday. Sunday looking dry and cloudy. Rain and snow Monday. Temperatures in the low 30s looking ahead to Tuesday. We'll be right back.
With Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Tracking some very light snow falling across most of central New York, especially in and north of the Mohawk Valley. Let's take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Tonight, we're expecting a band of lake effect snow to develop and impact the North Country, producing some accumulating snow. Not much, but an inch or two of accumulation for most areas. A winter weather advisory is in effect for Lewis County because of this. Reminder, a winter weather advisory is a lower grade advisory compared to something like a winter storm warning. And again, for folks in Lewis County, it's pretty common to see these throughout the winter. Current temperature is 33 degrees, calm winds, and again some light snow. This will continue tonight, and it will become more consolidated as the snow turns into lake effect snow. Snow comes to an end in the morning. We're drying out and we're warming up. The big story looking ahead, some much milder temperatures. In fact, our next weather maker producing rain with temperatures in the 40s. Cloudy skies, a couple of light snow showers this evening, temperatures in the low 30s. Again, tracking some much milder weather as we head into the end of the week. A look at that forecast coming up. Kristen, back to you.
New at 6, the person who called.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. We continue to track some light snow moving through parts of central New York. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Cavity Tower cam. The city lights not quite as bright as they typically are. That's because we're seeing some light snow showers and flurries here on Smith Hill. Here's a closer look on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Most of this activity is in and north of the Mohawk Valley, and that is where it will stay this evening. Just about everybody sees some light snow overnight. The accumulations will be generally limited to areas north of the Mohawk Valley. And a closer look at the snow this evening. Again, steadiest snow across northern and western Oneida County, as well as Lewis County. With December being tomorrow, the first day of December, can you believe it? Here's how the weather will be changing over the next couple of weeks. The average high December 1st is 39. That drops down to 30 by the end of the month. The overnight lows are typically in the mid-20s early in the month, and then they're down into the mid-teens by December 31st. We only lose 9 minutes of daylight from December 1st through the 31st as we approach the winter solstice on the 21st, the shortest day of the year, at least in terms of daylight. Searching for sunshine. We're doing that this time of the year. Looks like we'll have a few breaks here late tomorrow. Thursday's a no-go with that, and then maybe a few breaks here as we head into late Friday with more cloud cover on Saturday. Curtis Corners, 27 degrees. Paynes Hollow, 31. Mike in New Hartford with 33. Yorkville checking in with 34 degrees. Christopher and Edmonston, 31. Morris, 31. And Lyman and Eaton with 32 degrees. We warm up. In fact, a significant increase in the temperature is expected as we head into Thursday. We're into the mid-40s with a widespread snowmelt expected across the area, of course, for areas that have snow on the ground, which is most of us, especially the higher elevations. The radar and satellite image shows the next area of low pressure approaches the area overnight. This will bring some lake effect snow. An inch or two of accumulation is expected north of the Mohawk Valley. In and south of the valley, a trace to an inch of snow. And the snow is widespread, but the bulk of the accumulations, the light accumulations expected to the north. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, again, lake effect snow showers overnight. Temperatures drop into the low 30s. Wednesday morning, we start out cloudy with a few light snow showers. Some breaks in the overcast are possible in the afternoon as the lake effect band heads to the north, but any breaks in the clouds will be limited, and we're back to overcast conditions heading into Wednesday night. Some widespread rain and snow showers, a surge of warmth. The next area of low pressure heads to our north and west, and this brings a strong southerly wind with widespread rain and temperatures in the 40s for Thursday. Lake effect snow tonight, low of 31. Snow showers early tomorrow, followed by some breaks of sunshine, a high of 37. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Breezy Thursday, but mild. Temperatures in the mid-40s. Colder Friday, 34. Some snow showers and flurries Saturday. Cloudy, dry on Sunday, and then rain and snow in the forecast looking ahead to Monday. We'll be right back.
First look at the forecast. Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis joins us now. Good evening, Bill.
Good evening, Jason. Good evening, everyone. We're tracking some lake effect snow showers across the area, especially north of the Mohawk Valley. The activity is widespread. The accumulations are looking to be limited to the North Country. It's a live look at the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. And again, you can see that we are tracking some widespread light snow across the area. As far as traveling is concerned, it's going to be mostly an issue across the North Country tonight. We have a winter weather advisory in effect for Lewis County. For your morning commute, I don't think the snow is going to be too bad here. I think we're looking at pretty quiet conditions. Again, traveling really not too bad during the daytime tomorrow. Tomorrow night, we will be tracking some rain changing over to snow, and that could cause some issues here. Again, that's for tomorrow night. Temperatures will be warming up. In fact, we're looking at highs of the 40s on Thursday. Our next weather maker bringing widespread rain to the region. Some lake effect snow tonight down to 31. We are tracking some accumulation overnight, but again, a meltdown is expected as we head into Thursday. And look at those temperature trends coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. COVID takes yet another swipe.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are taking a live look outside from our Cavity Tower cam. Normally the city lights are really bright and you can see a lot more of them, but because it's lightly snowing, visibility is not as good. And that snow will continue to fly across central New York. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The snow this evening widespread, but it's generally light. Most areas pick up a trace to an inch of accumulation, but overnight we'll be keeping an eye on the North Country. There will be a band of lake effect snow that will develop and organize and continue the snow north of the valley as we head into tonight. And again, closer look at this widespread snow extending from Utica to Cooperstown to Oneonta. That's going to continue to head to the east. Can you believe it? December 1st is tomorrow, the beginning of meteorological winter, the 3 coldest months of the year. That's how us meteorologists do things because it makes sense. High tomorrow, 70 degrees, or the high for December, I should say, 70 degrees, set back in 1966. The record low, 24 below zero, back in 1942. These are the records for the whole month of December. The record snowfall goes back to 1890, 59 inches for the month. The average high tomorrow, 39, the average low, 26. You can see how that changes heading into the end of December. We only lose 9 minutes of daylight from December 1st through the 31st. And you can see the sunrise and sunset times really don't change too much going forward. The winter solstice is this month, too. That is the darkest day of the year. Searching for sunshine. Couple of breaks tomorrow. Not any sunshine Thursday, at least not that we'll be able to see. Breaks in the overcast Friday and a few breaks here on Saturday. Big story over the next few days, the warm weather. It's on the way. We're into the 40s. We're going to see lots of melting snow across the area, at least for the areas that do have snow. The area of low pressure approaching from the west, this will head east. Again, it brings some lake effect snow showers overnight, 1 to 3 inches of accumulation for the North Country, a trace to an inch of snow in the Mohawk and Southern valleys. Again, this takes us through tomorrow morning. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, again, that band of snow generally stays north, and it's around first thing tomorrow morning. Your morning commute featuring some light snow showers and flurries. The winds will push this band to the north. We'll get a chance to dry out. And again, a couple of breaks of sunshine in the afternoon before the clouds quickly fill back in. Clouds tomorrow night with a round of some rain and snow. Rain on Thursday and warm. Look at these temperatures, upper 40s to near 50. Snow showers tonight down to 31. Mostly cloudy skies tomorrow, some flurries in the morning, 37 for the high. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast, breezy on Thursday, 45 for the high with rain. Rain switches back to a brief round of snow Thursday night. Friday's looking dry. A few flurries on Saturday, Sunday looking dry. Rain and snow possible Monday. Temperatures stay in the 30s through early next week. We'll be right back.
Look at the forecast. We'll go with Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
All right, we're tracking some lake effect snow showers that continue to fly in and north of the Mohawk Valley this evening. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery. Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The snow tonight will be generally light, but it will accumulate, and again, particularly north of the Mohawk Valley. This is where we find a winter weather advisory in effect for Lewis County. Heading into tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, if you're going to be driving, we're not expecting any big travel issues tomorrow, just some flurries in the morning. The afternoon and the evening do look dry, and then we'll keep an eye on tomorrow night. A mix of some rain and snow is going to roll into the region overnight, and that could impact travel. But other than that, things are looking pretty quiet. Temperatures are going to warm up. We're going to be in the 40s as we look ahead to Thursday. That'll be the warmest day of the week before cooler weather returns as we head into the weekend as temperatures climb into the 30s. Lake effect snow tonight down to 31. We're tracking conditions as the kids head off to school tomorrow. That bus stop forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. COVID takes yet
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Welcome back. We're taking a live look at our Cavity Tower Cam. It's pointed into the parking lot because we have light snow and it's hard to see the city lights because of the snowfall. And we are going to be seeing a light accumulation of snow for many areas overnight, with the steadiest accumulation taking place north of the Mohawk Valley. You can see how this is unfolding on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This is lake effect snow as slightly colder air moves over the lakes and a west wind. We're getting bands of snow from Lake Ontario that are impacting the North Country, and this will be continuing into tonight. And again, this snow is primarily impacting areas north of the Mohawk Valley, northern Oneida, Lewis, northern Herkimer, and Hamilton counties. Wanted to take a look at December's changing weather. Can you believe December 1st is tomorrow? It is the beginning of meteorological winter. It's the 3 coldest months of the year. That's how meteorological winter is defined, because it makes sense. The warmest it's ever been in the month of December, 70 degrees back in 1966. The coldest, 24 below zero back in 1942. The record snowfall, 59 inches for the month back in 1890. Here's how the weather typically changes. December 1st, the high is 39. It drops down to 30 by December 31st. The average low, 26 on the 1st. becomes 16 by December 31st. Believe it or not, we only lose a few minutes of daylight the entire month. We get close to the winter solstice, and so it's the darkest month of the whole year, but that also means there's some light at the end of the tunnel. Things will start to change heading into the end of the month. Looking for sunshine, a couple of breaks possible tomorrow. No sunshine, at least that we'll be able to see on Thursday. Some breaks on Friday. Those will be the best days to enjoy a little bit of sunshine. Warm temperatures Thursday, up to 45, like mentioned. We're going to be experiencing some melting snow. Radar and satellite image shows lake effect snow being driven by low pressure approaching from the west. Some light snow overnight, an inch or two of accumulation north of the Mohawk Valley. A little expected elsewhere. The bands of snow stay generally north tonight, impacting the North Country. They'll start to drop south tomorrow morning. We'll see a few flurries in the air early. In general, the weather will dry out. We'll see a few breaks of sunshine in the afternoon as the lake effect snow lifts to the north. Clouds fill back in tomorrow night. We're expecting widespread rain and snow heading into Thursday morning, and it's going to be warm. Temperatures will be in the mid to upper 40s with widespread rain throughout Thursday afternoon. Lake effect snow showers tonight down to 31. Snow showers in the morning giving way to some breaks of sunshine, a high of 37. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. It turns breezy and mild Thursday against some rain showers, 45. Friday cooler, 34, mostly cloudy. Flurries on Saturday, dry Sunday. Rain and snow possible Monday. Temperatures in the low 30s by Tuesday. We'll be right back.